Okay, baddies, y'all have been waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting so patiently, and y'all have been being so good to me lately, so I decided, you know what, let me finally give them a room tour. But the reason that I decided to finally do it is because I've always been like, oh my goodness, my room is not good enough for a room tour. It's not aesthetic enough, it's not pleasing enough, it's not organized enough. But finally I was like, fuck it.
Nope.
Let's like give them a realistic room tour. Let's show them how a room tour really look. And this is my room like when it's like super duper duper clean. Obviously when I have packages right now that I had to like put away and stuff.
Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
But my room, this is how it looks in its ideal state. Obviously when I get like really busy and stuff, it gets a lot more messier, or like I'm picking out an outfit or something. I don't want y'all to get like misconstrued and think everybody has perfect rooms. My room is not perfect. Some of y'all might be like, oh my goodness, you got all that stuff, your room is perfect. It's not. Yeah, I just want to thank all of y'all for watching this video. I want to thank my mommy for filming this video and for providing most of the stuff that's in my freaking room, because she's the GOAT and she paid for everything. And yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this video. Okay, baddies?
1, 2, 3.
Hey baddies, welcome to Bubba's the Baddie room. So welcome to my room. This is how it looks. We got this a long time ago, like when I first moved in. Probably when I was like 11 or something. I've been having these up and they stuck all this time. So these are where all my little mini clutches and crossbody purses are. I got some Juicy Couture ones, my little birthday ones, clear ones, pink ones, black ones, all little stuff like that. And I got a lot of purses, so I had to spread them out. Then I got my MCM big bags right here. And then on the back of my closet, I got all my little book bags and my fanny packs hanging on the side. So this is my freaking closet. I don't know if y'all can see, but at the top I have all of my boots. And then this is my closet. I have everything arranged by the colors. Even my denim is arranged by the color. Alright, these are all of my flats, sandals, heels, all my girly shoes, my hats, my socks, bikinis, and belts. So right here I have a hustle sign, and that's right in front of my diploma because your girl graduated, okay? Alright y'all, so this is where I usually film my little videos at, my little hauls and stuff like that. Y'all see me sit on this bench. I usually keep whatever purse I'm using for the moment right here. Y'all see I got my little 2 graduation pillows. And then on this little thingy right here, this is where I keep all my shades at. And the inside, this is where I keep all of my jewelry at, y'all. Now we're gonna move into my bathroom. So I'm lucky because I actually have the master bedroom in my house. So this is my freaking bathroom. It's really, really small. I don't even got a shower. Right here, I just keep all my little hair tools. So I got my hot tools right here. Brushes right there, combs, edge brushes, and this one I got like natural hair products and edge controls. Right here I got like shower caps, bonnets, curlers, flexi rods, all type of stuff like that. This is the rest of my little natural hair products, and then these are like my products for when I have on wigs or like straight hair. And then in here I got all my barrettes, pins, rubber bands, ponytail holders, and at the bottom is all my little lash stuff. So this is my toilet, and y'all know what I do right here. Y'all know we'll go down right here.
Oh, that's nasty.
This is where I have some of my old wigs. I have hair dye, I have glue, scissors, all that stuff you need to put on a wig. And then right here is where I brush my teeth and wash my hands. And this little thing down here, this is where I keep all of my million gazillion wigs. I keep them in here. And I also have my little headbands right here. That little thing broke, but I told y'all this is realistic. In this drawer, I have like my little whitening kit, and then you know I'm a female, so I gotta have my pads. I just got like a little picture that says "Be Your Own Kind of Beautiful" because I think that's a cute reminder of having a bathroom. And then this, I got this little clock. Okay, baddies. So the next part of my room, this is the little door that leads to my bathroom. Here I have my robes. I got my fleece ones on top because those are the ones I use most of the time. And then back here, I got my little thin ones. So this is the first of 3 shoe towers. This is my my little dresser area. So my mirror is dirty, but we're not gonna get into that, okay?
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
We got my little earring thing right here. I don't really got a lot of earrings because I'm not like an earring person. I always lose them. I got a written
Bitch, what?
a drawing portrait right here, and then this is like a school portrait. And so right here I keep my mask because y'all know
Coronavirus!
and then right here I got all my scrunchies, and then the things on the side, they're like mostly decoration. The ones down here, this one says better late than ugly because if you know me, I'm always late to something. I gotta get cute first, okay? And then I got this little ad thing because I'm kind of like the influencer.
Okay.
And this right here I just got coins in. This is really special to me because me and my mama, we got this when we went to Mexico, and I just died for it because they match my room. And then I got a little Buddha thing in here. This supposed to smell good, but it's so old now, it don't. And then another thing right there I got blank because I don't know what to put right there. And at the bottom of this whole thingy-majiggy, I got all of my freaking slides and stuff. Amigos poster. So me, my mama, and my cousin actually went to their concert, and we met them, and we got to take that picture. And people always be like, is that picture real?
Really, nigga?
I'm a Photoshop picture with them, like, duh, it's real. So this is my bed. This is where I sleep at every night. Right now I got like a little velvet comforter on here because it's getting colder, and so I need something that's gonna keep me warm. And then I got my little reversible pillow right here. Over here, this is my little nightstand. So I got this little lamp, and on top of it I have my little, what you call it? Oh, my sleeping spray, but I don't really use it like that. And then I got this lamp. It usually light up, but I think you got a shortage back there or something. Then I got a coaster for any drinks. This is a little memo board, but I don't got nothing on there right now. And then this little thing, so I got some cough drops, some lip gloss, and some remotes. And then right here is where I keep all my candy. I gotta have candy because I got like a huge sweet tooth. And then at the bottom right here, I got my freaking heater because my mama had this room cold. Well, the whole house actually, but especially my room seemed like.
Now why am I in it? And you could have did it. See how I get wrong because you never apologized.
Okay, baby, so this is the most exciting part of my room. This is my favorite part of my room. I just kind of recently put this together. So this is my biggest sneaker wall. Bottom, it starts off with ones, and it goes all the way up into 14s. So this whole section right here is for Jordans, and then over here I have all of my Nike sneakers. And then at the top, y'all see I got all these boxes, Yeezy, Gucci, Prada, all them boxes. And I just really love fashion, so I thought it'd be a cute way to put fashion in my room. And then this cute teddy bear that y'all see right here, my mama bought me this. And then down here I got some more slides. I got my Uggs, my Yeezys, my Fenty slides. So this up here, this is new in my room. I just put this up here. So this is from my Rich Dolls photo shoot, and this is from my little prom thing, and I just thought it would be cute to put up here. And then all of these are my other little mini bags. These are some of my designer bags: Palm Angel, Balenciaga, Juicy Couture, Telfair, MCM. All these pictures are from my family and friends. So right here I have my MacBook. This is usually what I get all my work done on. And then behind it I have this printer, but I don't really know how to use it, so it just sit there pretty much. This is me and my little cousins a couple years ago. And then right here I have my speakers because this up here, that's a sound bar, so you like play it and it gets your whole room lit because it's super loud. And then right here I got my little Blu-ray player, dish, tape. Right here, these are like some rags for my little whiteboard because I like to write on my whiteboard. That's how I stay super organized. This is a speaker for my little soundbar system. And right here, this is where I keep knickknacks. So in these things right here, I just have like pencils, colored pencils, and papers and all that. And then down there, I got my MacBook Pro book, a little scrapbook, and just some binders and stuff. See, I'm always playing Brent Fayaz because, you know, he the nigga. But yeah, this is my TV, and this is the end of my room tour. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, make sure I give it a huge thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to become a baddie, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, baddies.